Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Ava. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Today, we have our group meeting to discuss the new project ideas. I'm excited to share my thoughts.
Me too. I think this meeting will help us plan our project well. We can share our ideas and listen to each other.
Yes, that is very important. I believe that when we work together, we can make a better plan. What did you think about the project topic?
I think the project topic is interesting. We are going to design a new website for local events. I like the idea because it helps our community.
I agree. A website for local events can bring people together and share useful information. I have some ideas on how we can design it.
Great. Please tell me more about your ideas, Ava.
Well, first, I think the website should have a simple layout. It should show the upcoming events with clear dates and times. I want it to be easy to read.
That is a good idea. A simple layout makes the website user-friendly. I also think we should add pictures of the events.
Yes, pictures can attract more visitors. We can also add a section for news about local festivals and activities.
I like that. The news section will help people learn about changes and new events. We can update it regularly.
Exactly. I also think we should have a search function so that users can find events by type, like concerts, sports, or art exhibitions.
That is a very useful feature. I believe that sorting events by category will help users find what they need faster.
And what about the color scheme? I suggest using warm and bright colors so that the website feels friendly and inviting.
I agree. Warm colors like orange and light blue work well. They make the design look modern and cheerful.
I also think we should add a small map on the homepage. It can show the location of each event.
Yes, that would be very helpful. Many users like to see the location on a map. We can use a simple map tool that is easy to use.
Do you have any other ideas, Ben?
I think we should also include a contact form. This way, local organizers can send us details about their events, and we can update the site.
That is a good idea. A contact form will make it easier for organizers and visitors to interact with us.
And we should add social media links so that people can share events on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Yes, social media is important. It will help our website reach more people.
I also suggest that we include a calendar view. This will show all the events in a monthly format. It is a clear way for users to plan their visits.
A calendar view is very useful. I like that idea. It will help people see the events at a glance.
I think our ideas are very good. We have discussed many points: a simple layout, pictures, a news section, search function, a map, a contact form, social media links, and a calendar view.
Yes, our ideas cover many important features. Now, let's talk about the work plan. How do you want to start?
I suggest that we divide the tasks among our team members. For example, one person can work on the design, another on the content, and another on the technical side.
That makes sense. I can work on the design and layout of the website. I have some experience with graphic design.
Great, Ava. I can help with the technical side. I have some skills in web development, and I can work on the coding and integration of the map and calendar.
Excellent. And maybe one of our team members can work on writing the content and updating the news section.
Yes, that would be very useful. I think Sarah has a good writing skill. I can ask her if she would like to join our project.
That is a good idea. Let's also plan a timeline for our project. How many weeks do you think we need to complete the basic version of the website?
I think we can finish a simple version in about 4 weeks. We can plan it like this: 1 week for the design, 2 weeks for coding and content, and 1 week for testing and adjustments.
That sounds very organized. I will start by creating a draft design in the first week.
And I will work on setting up the framework of the website. We can meet every week to discuss our progress and adjust our plan if needed.
I like that plan. Weekly meetings will help us stay on track and solve any problems quickly.
Do you think we should also ask our teacher for advice?
Yes, I believe it is a good idea. Our teacher has a lot of experience with these projects, and she might have useful suggestions.
I will send her an email after our meeting and ask if we can have a short consultation.
Perfect. Let's also prepare a list of questions for her. It is always good to have clear questions when asking for advice.
I agree. What questions do you think we should ask?
Maybe we can ask her about the best tools to use for creating a calendar view and how to integrate social media links.
Yes. And also about the most important features we should focus on for our first version.
Exactly. I think her advice will help us create a strong and useful website.
I'm feeling very positive about this project. It is exciting to work on something that will help our community learn about local events.
I feel the same way. Projects like these not only teach us new skills, but also give us a chance to contribute to our community.
And it is fun to work with a team and share ideas. I believe that when everyone works together, the result is much better than working alone.
Absolutely. I also think that discussing ideas openly, like we are doing now, makes our plans stronger.
Do you have any concerns about the project?
Sometimes, I worry about finishing the project on time. But if we all work hard and keep in touch, I am sure we will succeed.
I have the same concern, but I believe that by dividing the work and setting deadlines, we can manage our time well.
Yes, time management is key. We should also plan for a review session before our final presentation.
That is a good idea. We can ask some classmates to test the website and give feedback.
I like that. Feedback will help us improve the website and fix any problems before we present it to the class.
I agree. After our project is finished, we can share it with our school community and maybe even use it as a portfolio project.
That would be wonderful. It will show our skills and our ability to work as a team.
I'm very excited about our project, Ava. Thank you for this productive discussion.
Thank you, Ben. I enjoyed our conversation and feel confident about our plan. Let's meet again next week to review our progress.
Definitely. I will send you an email to schedule our next meeting.
Perfect. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too, Ava. Have a great day, and let's keep up the good work.
You too, Ben. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ava.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.